The creators of Carbo present it as one of the lightest electric bicycles out there. It's made with carbon fiber material, so the overall weight is just 29 pounds. Besides being surprisingly light, Carbo e-bike can also be folded down for easier storage or transportation. The base model comes with a 250-watt electric motor and a 36-volt battery that is hidden inside the seat post. The base version is good for 25 miles of riding, but if you need more power or range, the company has several upgrade options for you to choose from. For upcoming model year, Rad Power Bikes Company refreshed most of their lineup, including the Rad Mini electric bicycle. Just like before, it features a robust folding mechanism with 2 folding points, a powerful 750-watt geared hub motor, and a 48-volt battery pack that is good for up to 25 miles of electric-only riding. When speaking of the latest introductions, it is important to mention new puncture-resistant tires with reflective sidewall stripping, an integrated brake light, an updated 7-speed freewheel, and an optional step-through frame construction. The creators of Umi Micro managed to fit a wide range of electric bicycle features inside one neat product. Considering the selling price, the number of available features is sure to impress any rider. Unique folding system, aircraft-grade aluminum frame that supports riders up to 240 pounds, integrated LED lighting and brake lights, great hill climbing capability, removable battery pack good for up to 40 miles of range, etc. Qwest Max is a modern electric bicycle that is jam-packed with amazing features. It features a 350-watt mid-drive electric motor that is hooked to a 36-volt Samsung battery. As a result, you get a smooth riding experience for up to 40 miles and an ability to switch between all-electric and pedal-assisted riding modes. The use of Gates' carbon drive system is believed to have eliminated the need for frequent bike maintenance, thus making Qwest Max a perfect city commuter. GI Fly is an electric pedal-assisted bicycle that can become your true daily commuting companion. It has a compact yet powerful electric motor and an innovative folding mechanism. The creators of this bike equipped it with a 250-watt motor so it can meet all EV rules and regulations internationally. There are several settings allowing you to either choose one of 3 electric pedal assist modes or turn the electric power altogether. When not in use, GI Fly Bicycle could be folded in half in one simple motion and moved around just like a piece of rollable luggage. Gocycle electric bicycle is offered in 3 modifications, all of which have a smart folding feature that many rides seem to like. The GX modification has the most complex folding frame mechanism. It takes only 10 seconds to prepare the bike for riding or storing. Gocycle features smart pit stop wheels. They provide easy access to the tires and let you fix a flat without removing the wheel. Like many other electric city bikes, Gocycle can come with either a 250 or 500 watt motor and a 300 watt-hour battery pack that is good for up to 40 miles of pedal-assisted riding. EF01 is a new bicycle that was designed to serve as a smart city commuting vehicle. Despite its light weight, the bike had enough room for an electric motor and a 208 watt-hour battery. With such setup, the bike can provide up to 18 miles of pedal-assisted riding. EF01 also features an innovative folding system, so you'd be able to easily store your bike in the office or in the trunk of your car. When not in use, the bike can be hooked up to the car's 12-volt outlet so you can restore some of the charge. This new product by Turn Bicycles Company has set the standards for modern electric bicycles even higher. It offers one of the best ranges of standard features, as well as a series of bike customization options. From the factory, the bike comes with a low-step frame design, making it suitable for taller riders. A 250-watt motor that can push you to speeds of up to 20 miles per hour, and a neat folding mechanism that takes only 10 seconds to complete the transition. The optional features include a variety of battery options, the most powerful of which provides up to 80 miles of pedal-assisted riding, and a series of accessories that can be fitted onto the bike's extended rack.